This is great. This is fantastic.
Well, okay. Oh! Yeah! 係嘛？哎呀！哦，好自在。Okay, release. It's okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
One down.
One down, yes. Okay, come. Stay. Oh, okay, move to the left. Go to the left. Mission accomplished, huh?
So pretty.
Pretty, huh? Giant snakehead. Okay. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
Well done. Chao Phraya Catfish, you see?
Chao Phraya.
You see here? The sandpaper. You see?
Oh, wow, yeah.
Okay, now push. Yes, push. Alright.
Three species.
Okay, come. Stay. Oh, okay, move to the left. Go to the left. Sorry, excuse me. Move to the left. Go under. Go to the left. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Go, some more here. Okay, he's cut your line. Don't, it's okay. Come, go under. Sorry. No, under him. Under. Under. Yeah, correct. Go under. Okay, go. Okay. Yeah, stay.
This is big.
Yeah, really big. Sorry. You see it? If you stay there, you get,
Yeah.
the cross line. That's right. Come to the left. Okay, stay. Good. You're good. Balamundi. Stay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, how strong Balamundi.
wow.
Stay. Just stay. Move out. Move out. Okay. Oh! Okay, release.
Oh, yeah. Okay. One down.
Yes. Okay. Go to the right. Move to the right. Come. Okay, stay.
Need some water.
Okay, I'll give you after this. This is piranha. Paku. Oh, okay, wait. You move out too high.
Oh my God.
Rest, okay. Stay. Oh, Balamundi. Oh, never mind, it's okay. A
Yeah,
fish,
it's fine.
yes.
Good fight.
Oh, 3-4 person together. There. Oh, okay.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, move out. Oh,
A bigger one or a small one?
yeah, ho. Haha. Hey. Roofing tuna. Oh my God. Stop.
Oh my God. It looks like a shark.
Yeah, it's shark. Okay, hold it first.
This is great. Wow.
Music to angler ear.
Yes.
Music to angler ear.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, move backward. Okay. มาแล้วเดี๋ยวโอ้เว้ยsay move backward กูจ่าห่างเลยสิห่างได้ไหมจ่าห่างยังจ่าไว้โอ้โหเย้เห็นปะไอ้ยาโอ้ดีใจwell done Chao Phraya Catfish you see here the sandpaper
Oh wow, yeah.
Okay, now push. Yes, push. Alright. See. Okay, move back. So. Stay. Wait. Oh. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished, huh?
So pretty.
Pretty, huh? Giant snakehead. Okay. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.